Have you ever noticed how documentaries, YouTube videos, or even TV shows make static images feel much more engaging? Instead of showing a static image, the camera slowly moves across the frame and zooms into important details. This technique is called the pan and zoom effect, sometimes known as the Ken Burns effect. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dynamic pan and zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in and get started. To follow along, drag a photo or a video clip onto your timeline. This effect works on both photos and videos. However, it's especially useful for photos because it creates movement where none existed before. For this example, I'll use a still image, but the process is exactly the same for videos. Select your clip on the timeline, then open the inspector in the top right corner. This gives us access to the transform controls. The main settings we'll be using are the zoom, position X and position Y. These controls allows us to create movement using keyframes. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning of the clip. This is where the animation will start. Set the image to the position and zoom level where you want the animation to begin. I'm going to leave the zoom value at 1.0 so the full image is visible. I'm also going to leave the position controls at their default values. Once you're happy with the starting view, click on the diamond icon next to the zoom and the position controls to set the first keyframe. You'll notice the small diamond turns red. That confirms that the keyframe has been created. Now move the playhead to the end of the clip. This is where the animation will finish. Now increase the zoom value. For example, I'll increase it to 1.7. Next, adjust the X and Y position to move the image towards the area you want to be highlighted. As soon as you change the value, DaVinci Resolve automatically creates another keyframe. Now play the clip. The image slowly pans and zooms over time. And that's how easy it is to create a dynamic pan and zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you have learned anything from this video, drop a like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.